Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to discussing about strings. In this lecture, I am going to discussing about string input, string output, and array of string. String input. Use %f field specification in scanf to read string. For integer, you can take %d like that. For string, we can use %f for reading the string. It ignores leading white space. Reads character until next white space encountered. C stores null character, that means /0, after last non-white space character. It reads into array, that means non before name, array is a pointer. Here is the example for string input. Char name of 11. Here maximum strings are 11. Scanf percentage format specifier for string is %f comma name. Name means name of the string. Here you cannot use ampersand value, ampersand for reading the string. Problem in string input, we are having one problem in this: no limit or number of characters read. If too many characters for array, problems may occur. It can use the width value in the field specification to limit the number of characters read. Here character number is equal to 11. Scanf %10s comma name. Remember, you need one space for the /0. Width should be 1 less than size of array. String character than the field specification or read normally, but C always stops after reading 10 characters. Next, string input. Edit set input %, that means list of characters. List of characters specifies set of characters called scan set. Character read as long as character falls in scan set. It stops when first non-scan set character encountered. Note does not ignore leading white space. Any character may be specified except brace. Putting this symbol at the start to negate the set any character but list is allowed. Here is the examples. Scanf. Here is the example for string input. Next, string output. Use % of field specification in printf. Characters in string printed until /0. Here is the example. Char name 10 is equal to rich. Rich is a string. Printf %s comma name. Here output is rich. You can use with value to print string in space. Printf %10s comma name. Width is 10. Here it shows the output. Here 10 spaces and then print the output. Use flag to left justify. Printf %-10s comma name means after printing the string you can have print space. This is the string output. This is the example for string. Here character last name, I can take two strings. First one is last name, second one is first name. Printf enter your name last comma first. Scanf %10s. Here I can read the values by using scanf. Next I can print those values, that is printf string first name comma last name. This is the example for input or output string. Next, reading a whole line. Character *getters of character *str reads the next line from keyboard and store it in the array of characters pointed to by str. Returns str if string read or null if problem or end of file. No limited in how many characters read. New line included in string read. Next, character star fgets of char stars str int size file star fp. Reads next line from file content to fp. Stores string in st1. fp must be an input connection. Read as most size characters +1 for /0. Returns str if string read or null, if problem or end of file. To read from keyboard, fgets of mystring, 100, stdin. New line included in string read. Next, printing a string. We are having two commands to printing the string. First one is int puts, next int f puts. First one is int puts of character star str. It prints the string pointed to by str to the screen. It prints until delimiter reached. Next one is it returns EOF if a put fails. Outputs new line if /n encountered. Next one is file printing. Int f puts of char star str, file star fp. It prints the string pointed to by str to the file connected to fp. fp must be an output connection. It returns an EOF if the f puts fails. Outputs new line if /n encountered. This is the printing a string. Arrays of string. Sometimes useful to have an array of string values. Each string could be of different length. For example, here char star month names of 13. Here string size is 13, an array of 13 strings. It reads maximum 13 strings only. Here month name 1 is equal to January. String with 8 characters. It counts characters. Next, month names of February, it strings contains 9 characters. Next March, it contains 6 characters. This is the example of array of strings. Next, printf please enter a day. For example, I can read the day by using scanf. Day is equal to 0. I can take while day less than 0 because that means 0 less than 0 and not same string the day of day. If the condition is true, then it prints day plus, it goes to day plus plus, otherwise it goes to here. If day less than 7, it prints the day prints, else if the condition is false, then it prints no day. Here is another example. Int same string char star s1, char star s2. I can take two strings. Int I. If string length of s1 not equal to string length of s2, I can take two strings with same length. Then if the condition is false, it cannot return 0, it goes to here. For example, I can take day, same strings. I can take first day, first string is day, second string is days. Two string length is not same. Then if strlen of s1 not equal to strlen of s2, then it returns 0. This is also one of the example of arrays of strings. Thank you.